Right, got the points in place, got the point motors in. And the method I've used for a lot of them is just to clip the motor to the point like so, and put a big hole in the baseboard. See some of the wire in there, so that's got a polarity switch on it. What then that causes the problem is you have a big gaping hole there, so I filled that in with, fill them back in with cardboard and a bit of glue. Make sure the point motor still works. The other problem I've had is where I've got the supports for the baseboard, they're sort of in the way, so I've had to use side mounted motors on some of them, or will when I get them, and putting the wires in as well, so it's a little bit restricted. As you see, I've got those in, they're all working. I haven't sort of, I've only just tested them basically, so I haven't actually put them to a switchboard or anything. You can see that down there. So yeah, there's a side mounted one there. And again, that's another problem I had, as I was talking about the baseboard. I went to put a hole there, but that went straight into one of the supports, which is a bit of a problem. What else? This here, I use one of them PL15, which is like a double switch, and that's to control this section here, because if it's in the thrown position like that, it now provides power to those two rails straight across. It's in the closed position, it goes that way, and what I was trying to avoid is any shorting across here. If I kept that live and that live, potentially have a short there. You know where I'm coming from anyway, but yeah. So that's all in place. And then down this end, contemplating where I put the engine sheds there, or behind me, in that corner there. And then just come around it, sort of goes round in a loop, but you can actually walk into the layout without tucking in. So it goes round there, it comes round here, around the top and around there. There'll be another side in there, so there's effectively 3 places for sidings. There's one planned 3 curves there, so the two outer ones will be the main line, and the inner one will be a storage yard. Storage yard there behind will be a raised level, so that'll be out of view. And then there's another one behind that blue scene there. So it's a bit of a problem to actually try and find storage places. And then I've got a station here. Now what I've done with this is, because I've run out, I had these ages ago, so I've made use of them. However, I didn't really have enough, so what I've used is the boxes you get for the peco turnout. So what's that? That's an insulated frog peco turnout. Take the box, cut a top layer out of cardboard and a bottom layer with a slight overhang. Try to get it straight, stuck it together, and it's, you know, when that's dressed up with paint and etc, little bits of this and that to make it look a bit like a platform, then I think it should look okay. But yeah, and I reckon I can cut back here a bit more as well. So on that, I reckon I can open that up to show the lower level a bit more there, but